In this video, we're going to look at how to set up a meeting from within Teams. So to do that, when you're in a particular team, you're going to be in the Posts tab. Go down to the text box that says Start a New Conversation and click on the video icon. And if you hover over that, it'll say Meet Now. Click on that. It will ask you to add a subject. That's to name the meeting. And then click on Meet Now. So, at this point, it's just yourself in the meeting. And from there, you can invite somebody by on the right hand side, you will have people, and under that you'll have a text box with invite someone. And in there, if you type @ and like as we saw with the email invitations, the person's first letter of the person's name and their name will come up, and you can select them from the list. So you can add your class that way. So that's setting up a meeting from within Teams.